Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I visited Egypt in the month of February. It was such a spontaneous trip, hence I did not get much time to shop. I put together and styled a couple of outfits with the existing pieces from my wardrobe. All my outfits have a bohemian touch to it. Since it was my first time in Egypt, I wasn't sure if they have any dress codes. Once I went there, I discovered that they have dress code only if you want to visit any mosque. There are no dress codes if you want to visit any Egyptian temples and other local places. But I felt really comfortable and safe with the outfits I had taken. As it was springtime in Egypt, the early mornings and nights were extremely cold, and during the day it was very pleasant, so I was covered up most of the times. Every day was such a busy day, I absolutely didn't find time to film any outfit videos. So I've put together some clips and made a video for you guys. I hope you guys like it, and I shall mention all the outfit details in the description box below.